We interrupt this program. The United States Civil Defense has issued the following message. At 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple unidentified objects were confirmed to have entered Earth's atmosphere. It is speculated that these objects are of extraterrestrial origin. The broadcast will quiet at this time for your safety. Important instructions will follow within the next few seconds. At this time, follow these instructions. Close and secure all possible entrances to your home. Turn off all electronically powered devices, including lights. Do not look out any windows. Enclose yourself in a safe room with minimal entrances and no windows. Do not respond to any distractions from anyone or anything outside of your home. Do not attempt to investigate any lights or noises outside or inside of your home. Do not look in the mirror or at any reflective objects. Lastly, you must remain calm at all times. This has been an emergency system broadcast.